The Valar Exchange, creating a unique opportunity not seen everywhere in the crypto market, trading the USD pair like never seen before. In this video, we'll look at Valar Exchange, we're looking at our trading strategy on the USDC pair, and we'll be looking at Ethereum, also tradable on Valar. But right before we get to that, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so we can keep on growing this community. According to CoinMarketCap, Ethereum is the second biggest coin out there, according to MarketCap, with a market cap of $162 billion. Currently trading at $1,333.96, and their current total supply is 122 million coins. But what makes Ethereum unique? Ethereum has pioneered the concept of blockchain smart contracts platform. Smart contracts are computer programs that's automatically executed the actions necessary to fulfill an agreement between several parties on the internet. They were designed to reduce the need for trusted intermediates between contractors, thus reducing transaction costs while also increasing transactional reliability. Ethereum's principal innovation was designing a platform that allowed it to execute smart contracts using the blockchain, which further reinforces the already existing benefits of smart contract technologies. Ethereum's blockchain was designed, according to co-founder 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 as a sort of one computer for the entire planet, theoretically able to make any program more robust, censorship resistant, and less prone to fraud by running it on a globally distributed network of public nodes. In addition to smart contracts, Ethereum's blockchain is able to host other cryptocurrencies called tokens through the use of its ERC20 compatibility standard. In fact, this has been the most common use for the ETH platform so far. To date, more than 280,000 ERC20 compliant tokens have been launched. Over 40 of these makes the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. For example, USDT, Link and BNB. Since the emergence of play-to-earn games, there has been a substantial increase in interest in the ETH2 PHP price, a unique coin, the second biggest out there, creating opportunities, and they just keep on building and expanding and growing their network. Looking at Valar, currently they've traded $13 million in the last 24 hours. That's roughly around 695 Bitcoin. Valar is the largest cryptocurrency exchange headquartered in South Africa. The rapidly growing exchange serves over 250,000 customers, with trading volumes growing at a compounded monthly rate of over 30% for the past year. Valar offers makers rewards, negative maker fees, and thus far paid over $4.6 million in rewards to users. The rewards include referral rewards for customers who refer their friends and family using their referral codes. Established in 2019, another very important point, that means they've been running for over 3 years already. Valar allows customers to trade over 60 cryptocurrencies. Valar's cumulative trading volume has surpassed $7.3 billion on fiat pairs, and crypto-to-crypto trading volume exceeds 600 million. Valar offers an advanced spot exchange for seasoned traders, as well as simple buys and simple swaps for an easy trading experience for beginners. Advanced features like sub-accounts come built in and are available to all customers. Pay and get paid with Valar Pay, a seamless payment offering from Valar, allows users to send payments from their wallet to anyone's phone number, email address or Valar Pay ID at zero cost. And more importantly, VALR is available on desktop, iOS, and Android. What more you want? You can basically get it anywhere. Looking at all the different coins, they have all the major coins. Wow, they have 60 different coins on their platform, creating and giving everyone a unique opportunity to trade. But the trading opportunity we're looking at is USDC against the ZAR. When we go back up, we'll see USDC is the third biggest option on VALR. Let's have a look at the volume. Looking at volume, Bitcoin is the biggest volume, XRP second biggest, Ethereum third, and fourth is the USDC coin. So let's get to our trading and see what's been happening. Are we updated? Do we need to update any trades? And even more, if you want to see my strategy or learn my strategy I'm trading, down in the description will be an email address. Send me a mail, let's have a chat, and maybe a Zoom call. I'll teach you how I'm trading. Another unique feature of VALR is the fact that every time you put in a limit order, the lines appear, so you know exactly where your limit orders is, and the functionality of arranging all your prices or coins according to the amount, from lowest to highest or from highest to lowest, making it easy to use. Looking at my chart over here, I should have 5 buy limit orders, and we can see we only have 4. That means one of my buy limit orders went through, and that would have been a buy at 18.04. Looking at order history, we can see the last trade that went through was at 18.04. So we'll put in our sell limit order to take profit on this trade. Our sell limit order will be at 18.22. We'll put in the same amount we bought with because we're trying to increase our dollar value. The line appeared, our sell limit order is in place. Now we need to add another buy limit order. The buy limit order is going to be at 17.74, buying the same amount we're selling, and we'll see our line appear. Easy as can be. VALR is unique in every opportunity. They're easy to use, they're user friendly, and I do enjoy the fact that I'm able to trade USDC, or the US dollar, against a fiat currency, and I'm trading it in a way to keep on increasing my USDC. As we can see, my USDC did increase compared to the previous video, and every video it will just keep on going up. Now leave me your thoughts and concerns down below, and let me know, what do you think about VALR? How do you see VALR? Does VALR give a unique opportunity? Have you used it? Well, if you haven't yet, down in the description will be a link. Just have a look at it. For me, it's easy to use, a unique opportunity, and I do enjoy trading on VALR. Now, remember, we're making these videos so we all can enjoy the extreme crypto gains. Have a good one and enjoy.